Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. I am here on the 1 hour time frame, and the market continues to look short-term bearish. There is currently no sign that the bulls are showing up. We just have to give the market the time and the room to complete this correction that it started to work on a few weeks ago. So, I mean, okay, we've been in the correction all year, really, but I'm talking about this local correction, this crash after the 4th of October. Obviously it started already, and then the 10th was the crash event, the actual crash, and then we had a swift recovery, but it was a lower high only, not bullish, and now we are coming down further. But what we said is maybe, and this is speculative for now, maybe a 1-2 setup to the upside is unfolding here. So we have a wave 1 up, we have a wave 2 down, and this wave 2 to the downside might still be unfolding because the structure doesn't look complete. We have an A wave down, we have a B wave up, and the C wave to the downside could still be unfolding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be possible here as a wave count. So let's say another lower high and another lower low is likely. It would take a break above 60.7 cents to indicate that the bulls are starting to take the lead. And bear in mind, this would only be an early signal that the bulls are trying to regain control. A break above 60.7 cents. We are currently in a local downtrend. It's a 3-wave pullback. We're entering support, absolutely. But please understand the context here. We had a crash on the 10th of October. It is rather unclear where exactly the real low point was, if there is something like the real low point, because every exchange shows a different one. And the reaction to the upside, while it looks impulsive, it's the context is rather unclear because of that flash crash, and the data quality is poor. So this is not a 1-2 setup where I say, hey, we have a really high quality 1-2 setup. If you buy this, you need to be aware that Bitcoin is also trending down. We have no real low point here. I mean, we have a clear invalidation point, but is this really the invalidation point, 41.9 cents? Because on the Binance chart, that the dip was lower on the 10th of October. So I think it can make sense to, let's say, from a practical point of view, if you're looking for long positions, well, you can always buy if you want to, but it can make sense if you want to have a clear invalidation point to wait for a first break above a resistance level, a 5-wave rally, an impulse, a series of higher highs, higher lows, and then to buy the pullback with a stop below the beginning of the uptrend. Because at the moment, this is simply, we're tracking the waves. I cannot confirm a low yet. First resistance isn't even reached, and no technical level is broken. And for a really meaningful recovery signal, we would need a break above 82.5 cents anyway, right? That is where the green line is located. For now, pressure appears downward. No change really. The next support levels are around 51.2 cents, 48.6 cents, and 47.3 cents. So I keep you updated about any changes, but really there isn't really much to talk about. The only other thing I wanted to highlight is, hey, maybe we started the 4th wave bounce already, but it's just, evidence is very, very weak for that. This could be an A, B, and if we now see further upside momentum, this could be a C wave. Just something to watch out for, but it's more of a tracking exercise, not really a setup. If we go down further directly, 51.9 and 51.2 cents are next support levels. I have no evidence at all that a low has formed. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, videos, and so on. There are even video updates that we don't share on YouTube here. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.